You know how much money I paid for these boots? I'm gonna get my money's worth.
Secrets, man. Gaga. Secrets, man. Wow. Secrets, man.
Sorry, bad chairs, mad love. What are you guys saying? It's been a bit of a minute since I said that. Happy New Year. Season's great compliments of this season. Because it's been like 10 years since I've spoken to you guys. So should I do my hair up or down? I don't know. Should I do it up or down? Let me do it up. It makes my face look skinny. I'm going to meet up with K-Day and King. So really and truly, I'm actually very much behind schedule. Like, it's 2 o'clock now. Hold on, guys. Someone like me. ASOS.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living, nothing finishing now.
Okay, so I'm finished. I just need to do my lips. But I'm gonna do my lips after I figure. Jesus. I'm gonna think of an outfit first because how can somebody be thinking of outfit day of events, not even day of, a few hours before? Can't make any sense. So my vibe for tonight is all black. I've been loving all black recently. I don't know what's going on, but I'm absolutely loving all black. So I'm gonna just rummage through my wardrobe real quick because it's quite cold. I was thinking a miniskirt jumper and vibes. So if not for miniskirt and jumper, I'm thinking black trousers and a black top. So this is what the outfit is giving. My bum bum is out. I'm sure when this boot sees me, it's like, can this girl leave me alone? But I won't leave it alone. You know how much money I paid for these boots? I'm gonna get my money's worth.
Yup, man, yup! Yup!
And then my KG bag. Yeah, that's cute. I'm giving very thanks for the memory, even though they were so bad. So I use my one size setting spray. This doesn't last for Lagos, but it lasts for London. So, oh, I didn't even say I'm going to the Superdrug event today.
Okay, here's my name.
Yeah. I had a bit of a wardrobe malfunny. So how I'm on the train and I'm feeling a slight breeze in my ass, I'm like, what the fuck? I touch, why the zip broke? Like the zip is like gaping. If I wore a short jacket, I'd be pissed because my whole ass will be on show. Yeah, we're just at the station now. I'm waiting for King. Where are we going to? Cocktail?
London Cocktail Club.
London Cocktail Club.
It's happy hour.
And I don't drink, so I'm gonna watch them. I'm gonna watch them drink.
Don't believe me. I'm a true liar.
I have 2 of everything.
Look who it is. She changed her outfit. This ain't the outfit she sent me on iMessage.
It's cold. What are you wearing? Oh, you're wearing a skirt.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I thought you was wearing trousers. You look cute though.
Thanks, Mom.
Okay. Why is she like this? Here, show them your outfit. Cutie, cutie, cutie. Oh.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular?
We just dropped our stuff off at the, what's that place called? The cloakroom. And now we're gonna start exploring. This place is huge. It's huge in here.
Very huge. Very huge.
It's huge. So we've already peeked at Elf. So now we're gonna do a bit more.
So it's a little overwhelming. We don't know where to begin.
Around there, we're trying to get ladies too if you fancy it.
Okay, lovely.
If you see the goodie bag, no, show the goodie bag from your side.
The goodie bag.
It's full of bricks. So guys, I saw Yemi and I ran inside, yeah? I said hello. I have to say, oh, that feels good. See, this is why she ran after me. She just wanted my fan. It's okay. I didn't even know you had a fan. Look who it is.
Look who it is.
Keisha, come.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah, everybody.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
What the hell's going on? What? We've just gotten to the apartment. I'll give you a mini tour. We're literally right by the beach. So we're gonna go and walk around. But yeah, let's get into the room tour. Oh wait, I'm already in the bathroom. So might as well do the bathroom. Really nice, really nice. Nice and cute, very big. Oh my god. Oh my god, the baby just fell. We're gonna walk around, see what restaurants are around us, and then we're just gonna have to manage it because we just called the taxi people and he said it's 50 euros to go to an area. So 50 euros there and back is 100 euros. And chill. If it's not really given, we've looked on Uber Eats, they have McDonald's. Where's McDonald's gone? Hello? Hi. And have to manage that one. Yeah, we're just gonna go back to the apartment. It looks like it's gonna be a McDonald's thing tonight because we didn't plan this trip properly. We should have, but it was just like vibes. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, we've turned into a couple's channel. We're gonna make rice and stew tomorrow because this area ain't got shit. Yeah, we're gonna call it at night. Oh guys, if you're in Nigeria, I know my friend has Nigerian followers. I hope you guys voted. Guys, say no to tribalism. Yeah, we stand with everyone. Oh my gosh guys, we already knew this, but like the language barrier. No, but I feel like this one's a bit, but the guy, yeah, because they don't speak English like at all. Speaking pure. But then I'm not shocked though, because Spain were also colonizers, so I don't expect them to speak another colonizer's language. And McDonald's actually not there. McDonald's not there, babe. Oh, per 190, 10 to 10 minutes. Okay, cool. The thing is, I be loving ice cream, but my ass don't love it, so it's not. It's not. One thing about us, yeah, we go eat wings. You lie. Is it not flat? It's flat. Food is here, y'all. So we got fruit, tropicana. Oh, it's not like these. Popcorn chicken. Is it nice? Yeah. This is our wings. Look at the wings. Oh, I missed that shit. We asked the lady to bring pot and pan, but there was pots and pans and cutlery in this thing. I was so confused at how the hell. So Esther's washing rice. I know she's not putting me on rice duty because I always burn rice. Sorry guys, I did big mess up today. Big mess up, man. My laptop was dead, so I couldn't eject my SD card, so I just yanked it out of my laptop. But everything I recorded today, as in everything, the file is corrupted. Like, it's not opening. I've even tried to airdrop it to my phone, so at least I can edit it on my phone and then put it back on the laptop. It's not making that in Shake. But guys, that's a whole day worth of content. So yeah, I'm really, my mind is really hurting me because I'm like, damn, I had such good content. Not my actual cooking skills. I can actually cook. Oh, but with the ingredients that you had and the seasonings and stuff. I made like some curry chicken, not curry chicken, curry prawn with some white rice. So who this person is, but thank you for logging us out of your thing. It's much appreciated. Yeah, watching me. Sorry, it doesn't look appealing right now because I didn't have any thickener.
It looks fine, Esther. Stop being so critical. Does it not look like I have to look after my niece and nephew because my brother is dead. It's true. That's true.
That's people's livelihood. That's a real life shark.
It's a new day. It's a new dawn. It's a new life for me. We're getting ready to go to the beach again. Guys, I've never really been on the beach as much as we've been on the beach here. Like, I don't really go because I don't like water. So yeah, we're just picking out our outfits for the beach because we've got to take some few pictures. Let me show you the pictures that we took yesterday. Look how nice one's skin looks. Like, just glorious. We're on the beach again. Look at the view. So nice. So nice and so beautiful. So we sat on that side yesterday. We're going to this side today. Let's hope it's the same type of warmth. Shit. It's hot. It's hot. The sun is hot, no blurred.
This is the North Atlantic Ocean.
Is it?
Yeah. This one's a bit complicated.
We're just gonna chill, probably chill out here for a few hours.
So confess, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have this place on earth, take you there, take you there.
Guys, look at everyone saying this honey. We're back in the room now. I've got a tan finally. Oh my god, especially if you see it on camera, yeah? All I've been wanting is a tan. We're going to the city today, so we're gonna go to the aquarium first, and then we're gonna make our way around, see what we're in the mood for. I want chips. I just want McDonald's chips, hot with no salt. So that's what we're going to now. It's still quite early in the day. Is it 12 yet? It's going to 12. I'm kind of excited for the aquarium. I don't really like aquariums in general, like what they stand for, because why are you taking them little animals out their habitat? But you get fine enduring. Huh? You get fine enduring. Yeah, because it's like you're putting them into a confined space. They're not supposed to be there. I love aquariums. But like, I love aquariums, if that makes sense, because I'm not going into the ocean to see them. So like, you know. You didn't check how much it was? It was like 17 euros, I think.
Why the ticket to the aquarium 25 euros? What the fuck?
Canary food, and seafood.
Fish.
Yeah.
Polo, that's chicken.
For me, the best place, the name is El Dorado.
El
You
Dorado.
find in Google,
How do you spell that?
Dorado.
Yeah.
So D-O-R.
Oh, I see it. It's closed today.
Intellectual murder people edition. Cock and fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. Ratty gang fi me gang, pussy run up if you want. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place get noisy.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
You guys take a welcome picture together?
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Thank you so much. It gives, what's it called, you know when uncles take a picture of you at the party? Oh yeah, give me angle. And then they'll be saying 20 pounds. You know what we're giving? We're giving belly.
Coming up till two of them up in this 45 hit me caught it now miss finger move swift me gun then nasty.
We're in Primani now. This set is noisy. And it's thick too. Oh, do they even have my size? Extra large. What any size me? Oh, what any? That's fat phobia. Oh, come on, Hermes. Some Hermes slides, because I heard the Hermes ones ain't really that comfy. It's all Chanel.
We're on one of them hot on, hot off
sort of thing. I'm kind of excited. I've never been on one of these before. So we see how it goes. Not what on earth. Sorry.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease.
We finished on the hop on and off thing. We were so bored. When it got to the second part, me and Essa, yeah, we were trying so hard not to sleep. But we're back into the shopping centre now. We're gonna get some food. It's our last full day here, so we're just gonna relax. Because that's what we came here for, to relax. So in our last few hours, I feel like I stink. In our last few hours, just gonna relax. Probably watch some shows, maybe a movie. Thank you for watching this vlog, and yeah, it's good to be back on the tube. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
Secrets, man. Gaga. Secrets, man. Wow. I can't tell me, say no. Secrets, man.